beauties, you're welcome back again. On today's video, I'll be sharing my experience on battling with thyroid issues. Before I had my baby girl, there was a time I wasn't just ovulating. On one of the numerous tests I went for when I was seriously TTCing, one of the tests my doctor sent me for was to check if my thyroid was working well. Before then, I never knew that having thyroid issues can be a fertility issue. I mean, what has thyroid got to do with fertility? Before then, I never knew that if one's thyroid is not working well, it can cause infertility. So after the test, it was discovered that my thyroid was a bit off than the normal number it should be on. My doctor prescribed a drug. I've forgotten the name. Is it level something? I can't really remember. I'll look for the pack or the picture and place it on the screen. Me being the curious type, and also I wanted to get pregnant as quickly as I can, I started going through the internet and I learned a recipe that I believe that helped me. I just remembered it now and I decided to share. I decided to upload it to my YouTube channel and I decided to share it with you guys. Maybe in case any of you or anybody you know is battling with low thyroid issues. And again, I would like to advise. If you're battling infertility and you've not had your thyroid checked, you should please have it checked. You never can know. So thyroid is a small gland located on the neck. It controls the body metabolism, and low thyroid, hypothyroidism, also called Hashimoto, can hinder ovulation. It can hinder the release of an egg, and it causes miscarriage. It increases the miscarriage risk. It causes premature birth. How do you know if you're having thyroid issues? Number one is tiredness, sensitive to cold. Like me, I'm always cold. My hands and my feet, they are always cold. Another symptom is loss of hair. I experienced hair loss, serious hair loss. I was even attributing the hair loss to maybe alopecia. So in conjunction with this recipe I'm about to show you, I was also using selenium tablet. Selenium is a supplement. There is this recipe I'll be showing you guys today that I believe that really helped me cure the thyroid issue I was having. But before I start, I want to announce officially that we are trying for baby number 2. I feel I'm ready to start trying for another baby. My baby girl is already 1. Unfortunately, I haven't started ovulating. I believe it's because I did exclusive breastfeeding for a long time. I did exclusive breastfeeding for 6 months. I had her on solids from 7 months up until 11 months. I was complementing breastfeeding while she was on solids also. I stopped breastfeeding her at 11 months, hoping that maybe I'll start ovulating, because I complained to one of my aunties and she told me that maybe the reason why I haven't yet started ovulating is because I was breastfeeding. But since I stopped breastfeeding her, at 10 months. Now she's over a year and I'm yet to start ovulating, but I'm hopeful. So back to the video of today. So guys, the first thing we'll be using today for this thyroid remedy is turmeric. Turmeric contains anti-inflammatory properties that helps hypothyroidism. Women are more prone to suffer with low thyroid problems. I believe it's because of estrogen hormones. Yeah, because high estrogens has been tied to thyroid issues, because thyroid is also linked to having inflammation in the body. Turmeric, as one of the best anti-inflammatory spices, can help manage hypothyroidism. Turmeric also helps in healing a leaky gut, and also GI issues are linked to thyroid disorders. So we'll be using a half teaspoon of turmeric for this thyroid recipe. The second ingredient I'll be adding to this recipe is called black pepper. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine that helps to increase the rate at which turmeric is absorbed by the body at a great percentage. Yeah, it helps the body absorb cumin, which is one of the active ingredients in turmeric. The third ingredient is garlic. I'm using garlic powder because it helps treat GI issues or infections, and hypothyroidism has been linked with leaky guts. Adding garlic will go a long way. The fourth thing I'm adding here is boiled water. This will help extract the ingredients of these spices. Yes, GI issues has been linked to hypothyroidism, and these spices has been recorded to help heal hypothyroidism. I'm sieving out the small particles in these spices, yeah, to get them out. The next thing I added to this recipe is coconut oil. Combining coconut oil to turmeric helps in enhancing the result to treat hypothyroidism, because coconut oil contains vitamin E, lauric acid, and antioxidant properties, and it contains fat, and fat helps the body to absorb turmeric. Yeah, turmeric is fat soluble. I take this every morning and every night. That is first thing in the morning and the last thing in the night. And because I was taking this during my TTC journey, I only take it for a period of 10 days and stop. I take it from cycle day 2 or 3 and stops at cycle day 12 or cycle day 13. Once I've ovulated, I'm always careful what I eat or take during my 2-week wait. So yeah, beauties, that's it for today's video. In my next video, I'll be showing you guys the supplements I'll be using while trying for baby number 2. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And please, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. Bye.